Alright everybody, Squirrel here at B-Tech These. Back here on the Del Sol. We got a couple of just maintenance things to do. I got to replace the valve cover gasket. I got to put new spark plug wires in it. And then we can start really tuning it. So let's see what we got going on. And I don't know, you're not going to be able to see it on camera, but you can see this seal right there. Folded right in. It's just old, 30 years since anybody's touched any of that. So you got that, and then let's see if I can find the spark plug, because I broke one of the spark plugs, but that one is your problem. So I'm getting spark plugs here tomorrow, probably order them today and get them here tomorrow. I'm gonna do the valve cover gasket today, get that all done. Well, as you can see, that's definitely the problem. I mean, it's 30-year-old gasket material, so you know, that's just gonna happen. I haven't changed it. I'm gonna try to clean all this up pretty well, get this all sort of decently spotless, but I ain't got many rags, and we'll see what we can do. It don't look too bad in here. It's just normal, just varnished and old, and it's nothing special.
Oh, look at that squirrel.
Surprisingly, they got pretty clean. I didn't have many rags, but pretty clean. It's a wonderful thing. So I'm just gonna blow it all off and slap her back on. Alright everybody, we got our spark plug wires in. I'm going to do some gapping on the spark plugs. Make sure they're gapped right. And we'll just put some wires on and we'll get her fired up.
Dungeons.
Nothing special to it. Just doing some spark plug wires. We got the plugs. Tweak the throttle just a little bit. I think that the spark plug having a hole in it gave me a misfire, so that at least fixed that. And the whole point that I thought there was a problem was because we had abundance of smoke coming out of the exhaust, but clearly right now nothing. So doing the valve cover gasket and doing that spark plug wires definitely helped it up. So now I can get to actually tuning the car and getting the right measurements rather than it bouncing back and forth, because that's what it wanted to do before. So I'll get to actually tuning it and getting the right readings on tuning it. So alright everybody, just got done with the Del Sol, putting spark plug wires on it. Now all I gotta do is play around with the Honda and do some tuning, and that'll be way easier now that I don't probably have a misfire. So make sure you go like and subscribe. Squirrel VTech D's. I'm on YouTube, Instagram, anywhere you can find me. Make sure you go like and subscribe, because there's a lot more coming down the pipeline. The CRX is getting work done on it. I'm super excited about that. So make sure to follow along. See you.